Okay, today let's take a look at JavaScript's call, apply, and bind. You can look at the code here on my website at itsjoshlee.com. But let's take a look. So all of these revolve around the keyword this. So let's see how this works. We're going to make a person. Let's say let Josh equals name equals Josh. We'll say age equals 30. Let's give a function to Josh. We're going to say josh.greeting equal to function. Now we're going to say console.log. We're going to say, hi, my name is, we're going to say this.name. And let's make sure this works. Let's see here, where's my console at? Dismiss this. Run. Oh, I got to call it josh.greeting. Okay? Hi, my name is Josh. So this comes from this object, Josh. So this.name is the same as josh.name because this is the function that's calling it. What if we have another person? We call him Frank. And his name is Frank. His age is 20. I don't know why I'm putting age. Age doesn't matter here. Okay. What if Frank wants to use this greeting method? Well, he can use it by using apply or bind. So we can say josh.greeting, and we're not going to call it. Instead, we're going to say apply. And wherever you put here in apply is going to be this. So we can say Frank. And let's run this. And so now we have my name is Frank. We can also use call here. Clear this, we'll run it. My name is Frank. So both of these, go ahead and put this for the, this right here for the this keyword. Okay. We can also use bind, but bind goes and saves the function so we can call it later. So we can say let Frank greeting equal to josh.greeting.bind.frank. Then we can say Frank greeting. We can call it later. Check this out. We have hi, my name is Frank twice because we're getting it from here too. Have hi, my name is Frank. So let's look at the differences between call and apply. And it's a very small difference. And in order to do that, let's go ahead and change our greeting function to accept a argument. So we're going to say last name. All right, and we're going to say last name. And so we can say josh.greeting, pass in Lee. And we're going to run this. Let's see here. Try this again. Hi, my name is Josh Lee, so we can pass that in. So we can do the same thing with Frank. Mr. Frank here, we can say josh.greeting.call Frank, and we can say Smith. We can run this. Hi, my name is Frank Smith. The only difference between call and apply, so if we do apply here, we're going to run this, it's going to throw an error because what we want is an array here for apply. So we're going to go here, put an array here for the arguments and run it, and we can run it again. There we go. Now we can do bind very similarly. We can say let Frank greeting equal to josh.greeting.bind.frank. Then we can say Frank greeting, and we're going to pass in, what did I say his name was? Smith? Hear this. Run it. Hi, my name is Frank Smith. So that is apply, call, and bind. You can get the code here on my website. It's joshlee.com. I want to give a shout out to this course here on Udemy. This is an advanced JavaScript course, and I don't have any affiliation with it. I just went through it, and I thought it was very helpful, and this really helped me get the concepts of call, apply, and bind down. So if you're looking to take an advanced JavaScript course, you can continue to watch the videos on my channel. You can go to my website, or you can buy this course right here. All right, so thanks for watching.